Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am all set with my primer and moisturizer, and now I apply sugar pan stick and blend smoothly. I am done. Now I apply light blue color for the lighten effect and blend smoothly. I am done. Now I do my eyebrows. Now I apply black eyeshadow and blend smoothly. Now I do some shadows with black color. Now smudge with the black color under the eye. And now I apply black kajal. Now I apply highlighter on the lid. Now I line up my eye with the black liner. Now I apply highlighter in inner corner, nose and cheekbones also. Now I apply mascara and then do my lips with the blue color. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to tap the like button. Now I do some lighten effects on my face. And I am done. Thank you for watching.